Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create sparkly black dress on Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can wear any dress that you like and then you can change the pattern to get the sparkly look. Wait, I'm going to start with this witch dress from which sad on Dress to Impress, and we can go to the pattern and then you can scroll down until you find, wait, I'm going to show you the pattern, this one guys. You can change the pattern to this one, and I'm going to make them have the same pattern. Okay, wait, from for the second part as well, and for this one. Okay, basically you just need to make them have the same pattern, which is this one. Okay, I'm going to make them have this pattern. Okay, and this is the final result guys, and then I'm going to show you the details. Okay, that's so amazing, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to create sparkly black dress on Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.